Assalamu alaikum friends. I welcome you all to my channel Mathematical Institute of Learning. So today we are gonna discuss the 10th class mathematics triangles. Till now we had discussed in the triangles the basic proportionality theorem and the converse of the basic proportionality theorem. Let's now discuss the questions based on the converse of the BPT and the BPT, that's basic proportionality theorem. Before doing this, I want to suggest all of you to please listen to my previous lectures on the triangles. Okay. Now, first question. So we'll take exercise 6.2. This is the first question. There is a figure given. Figure is like this. This is my figure A, this is B, and this is C. Okay, and there is a line DE. Okay, and this is 1.5 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter. Okay, so question is that given is that DE is parallel to BC, and this AD is given, DB is given, A is given. So you have to find BC. You have to find BC. So how will you do it? So solution. In triangle ABC, okay, DE is parallel to, I can say DE is parallel to the BC. Okay, so I can use here basic proportionality theorem. So I can write here using BPT, comma we have. Okay, so we have AD by DB. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Okay, so AD is given that it is 1.5. So let's put the values. DB is given it is 3 centimeters. So it is 3 is equal to A is given it is 1 divided by EC. So it will become 1.5 ones are 1.5 twos are. So I will get EC as 2 centimeter. So this is the first part. The second part is similar to this. So we'll now start question number 2. Okay. Now there is a question number 2. I can write E and F are the points on the sides PQ and Q are respectively of a triangle PQR. So it's given that I have a triangle PQR. Okay, and EF and E and F, there is a E and there is F. Okay. Okay, so this is joined. We have to check whether EF is parallel to QR for different cases. So first case is PE is equal to 3.9 centimeter. EQ is equal to 3 centimeter. PF is equal to 3.6 centimeter. And FR it's equal to 2.4 centimeter. We have to check whether when the sides are given as this, we have to check whether EF is parallel to QR or not. So we'll write the solution. We'll calculate the ratio PE divided by EQ. So what will be that? PE divided by EQ. It will become 3.9 divided by 3. Okay. I can write this 3.9 as 39 divided by 3 into 10. Okay. Now 3 ones are 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are. So I got 13 divided by 10. So this is my PE by EQ. Now let us calculate now PF by FR. That is nothing but 3.6 divided by 2.4. It can be written as 36 by 24. 24 divided by 10. That will go in the up, and 36 divided by 10. So this 10 and 10 cancels. So it will become 2 12s are, 2 18s are, and it will become 2 6 are, 2 9s are, 3 2s are, 3 3s are. So it comes out to be 3 by 2. PF divided by FR comes out to be, since we find that PE divided by EQ is equal to PF is not equal to PF divided by FR. We can clearly see that PE by EQ हमें क्या निकला 13 by 10 और PF by FR हमें क्या निकला 3 by 2. तो ये तो बराबर नहीं हुआ. तो इसका मतलब therefore by the converse of the BPT जो आपने पढ़ा है ऑलरेडी, तो converse of the BPT से मैं कह सकता हूं कि ये EF है ना, ये पैरेलल नहीं होगा. Therefore AF is not parallel to QR. Okay. So this is the part number 1. Now we have part number 2. Now it is given that P is equal to 4 centimeter, QE is equal to 4.5 centimeter, and PF is equal to 8 centimeter, and RF is equal to 9 centimeter. So let's check the same method. It's the same method is same. So let's check PE by EQ. PE by EQ. That is 4 divided by 4.5. It can be written as 4 into 10 divided by 45. So 5 2s are 10, 5 9s are 45. So it is 4 2s are 8 divided by 9. Okay. Now let's calculate PF by FR. It comes out to be 8 by 9. And since PE by EQ is equal to, PF by FR, what does this imply? PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. It means this side is dividing these two sides in the equal ratio. Therefore, by the converse of the BPT, okay, this EF is parallel to QR. Okay, these are the first two questions. Okay, for more videos, please subscribe the channel and like the video and share the video. Thank you so much.